You look so pretty today. And will always will be. So, sabi ko sa'yo kanina, hinahanap mo yung vow ko. It's in my heart. Sabi ko nung bata ko, isang babae lang. But, hindi nangyari. And I thought that I will be single forever. After 6 years of being single, sabi ko, God, single na lang po ako. Or else, ibigay mo sa akin ng makadiyos at mabait na babae. Pero nagkamali ako. Binigay sa akin, sobra-sobra.
I remembered it was early 2020. I am contemplating things on how to know the right one, the one that God prepared for me. I was in Aker Brygge at the time, and I prayed to God that if He will not give me a man that has the same faith with me, I would rather be single for the rest of my life. At first, I don't understand my purpose in going here in Norway, and now I'm sure that one of the reasons is you. Our journey as one is not just an accident, but it is God's will. I'm so blessed to have someone like you, love.
Sabi ko, kapag nakita ko na yung babaeng yon, yung chicks, papakasalan ko na. Gagawin kong prinsesa ng aking buhay.
Love, from this day forward, in front of God, families, and friends, I vow to love you with all my heart. That love that will last a lifetime, the love that God taught me.
Make your love a love that will last, no? Just like what vow you have uttered to both each other. So it's good that it is an answered prayer for you. So ito ay napakabuti kasi ipinalangin, natagpuan at pinagtibay ng Panginoon.
I vow to be faithful to you. I vow to respect you and support you in any decisions, especially the things that will help us build a heavenly home.
I pledge today to have all the patience and passion that loves demands. In the laughter and in the silence, I'll be forever by your side.
Ang sabi ay, ang pinagsama ng Diyos ay hindi maaaring pag-iwalayin ng sino man. So both of you, live the best, give the best to each other, and may you live happily ever after. Sana mas lumaki pa yung pana in addition to the family. Yes! And meron pang gender bill.
Gender reveal agad. Okay, thank you very much, Mark.